Hey dropshipping family, Ecommerce here, back again with another video to help you crush it in e-commerce. Today I'm explaining the powerhouse that is Shopify and how to get your own Shopify store up and running. Stick around for some sweet incentives too. Shopify is a platform that allows you to create and run your own online store without any coding or technical skills. You can sell anything you want, from physical products to digital products and even services. Shopify handles everything for you, from hosting your website to processing payments to managing inventory and shipping. You can also customize your store with hundreds of themes and apps and integrate it with social media and marketing tools. Shopify is perfect for dropshipping, which is a business model where you sell products without having to buy or store them yourself. You simply find a supplier who has the product to sell, and when a customer orders from your store, you forward the order to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay to the supplier. This way, you don't have to worry about inventory, warehousing, or fulfillment. You can focus on marketing and growing your store. At this step, you will register a Shopify account. This Shopify account will be used to manage all of your stores in the future. And with one Shopify account, you can create and manage multiple different stores. You can create a Shopify account through methods such as using email, using Apple account, or using Facebook account, and using Google account. For example, I will use email. I will click on Sign up with email. I will enter email and password. Wait a moment, the Shopify admin page appears. You can choose to add more information for Shopify or skip. In the section, what do you plan to sell first? You can choose all of these items and click on Get Started. So we have completed the registration of Shopify account and store. You go to My Store, select All Store. These are the stores that this account has. You can create more by clicking on Create Store, select the account being managed, and wait for the system to create a new store, and you also do the same as the above step. The final step of registration is that we will choose the service package to maintain the website for Shopify. We choose Select a Plan. All packages are offered with a fee of $1 a month for 3 consecutive months. For regular stores, you should choose the basic package. Shopify have 2 forms of payment, credit or debit card, and PayPal. So I have explained to you what Shopify is and the detailed steps to register a Shopify account. We will meet again in the next video. I will guide you the steps to create a perfect online store website. Goodbye everyone.